In this video, I'll show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. First, it's a good idea to make sure you're running the most up-to-date version of Windows 11 itself. To do that, click on the Search button at the bottom left of your taskbar. Here, search for Settings and then click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, look to the left-hand side and scroll down to the bottom until you see Windows Update. Click on that, then press Check for updates to make sure you have the latest version of Windows 11 installed. If updates are available, go ahead and install them. In my case, I already have the latest version, so I'll close this window. Now, to update your device drivers, click on Search at the bottom of your screen and type Device Manager. Once it opens, you'll see a full list of devices on your computer. For example, if you want to update your Bluetooth drivers, click the arrow next to Bluetooth to expand it. Find the device you want to update, then right-click on it and select Update Driver. You'll now see two options. You can either search automatically for drivers or browse manually. Choose Search Automatically, and Windows will look for the latest available driver and install it if needed. If there is already an up-to-date driver installed, you'll see a message saying you have the best one available. Otherwise, it'll automatically download and install the new update. And that's it.